Hello Airfix fans and welcome yet again to a Christmas quick build challenge. This year I'm joined by Nathan.
Hello.
Nathan has been here, how long have you been here now?
5 or 6 weeks.
Yeah, quite a while.
Yeah, it's going quickly. Yeah, it's alright.
So you've never experienced the quick build challenge before?
No, and it's quite scary.
I've gone against two people from Airfix. One I beat by a few seconds.
Yeah.
One absolutely smashed me. So you're not up against anyone that's particularly good at it in that sense. Today our quick build challenge comes in the form of the Volkswagen camper vans, which we have in front of us. You got a nice baby blue one. I've got a nice red one.
I thought this one brings out my eyes a bit more than the red ones.
So the rules are easy. It is build it as quick as you can, no instructions. Okay. Based on the fact that the last time it took me forever and I didn't even finish it, there will be a 15-minute time cap.
That's good.
So if we get to 15 minutes, Dan behind the camera is going to say, "Meh, it's done, it's over," and wherever we're at then, we can call it an even draw, I think. Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah? Brilliant. Right, well, let's get started. Take a quick glance.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. There's a lot of numbers and a lot of instructions there.
Okay, I'll take some photographs in my mind.
Yeah. It's not going to help you. Are you ready?
That's an open question, but sure.
Okay, so we're laid out. We are ready to go in the truest sense of the word. Let's put the timer up. As I said, when we get to 15, it's game over and we'll see where we're at. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
You don't sound that confident.
I'm not that confident, no. That's why. Are you ready?
Yeah, it's been a while since I've done this, so I think you might beat me on this one, eh?
Well, that'd be an upset, so we'll see what we could do.
Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Right.
So you think that I would have learnt some technique in where to start, but...
Wow, there's some small pieces and big pieces. I presume that goes in there. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, I see. That's almost a car, so we'll get
Oh wow, you've got like the bottom part.
Where do I go here? If only I could remember the instructions. We've done very different approaches, which is interesting.
Yeah, you went for the bottom half.
I'm not sure if that will favour us or not. How much time have you got, Dan? What? Oh no.
That's actually more than I thought.
I thought we had like 2 minutes.
Oh,
well, I tried my best.
Oh, I thought you would wet. Look, so I managed to get the outside perfect if you look from the front. When you look from the back, there's a problem.
Oh, if you maybe looked from the front and then we can turn it around, it might be okay.
I was going to say leave it up to the people at home to decide who won.
No, I think we should.
I think, you know, those are the two options. Vote
blue
for Nathan. Vote red for Mike.
Don't turn it around. It's okay. Yeah, it's fine.
Some of the insides there a little bit. Didn't even get to the stickers.
Oh yeah, that was the last thing I was thinking about, was stickers.
Well done.
Well, thank you. I'm not sure it warrants a well done, but I appreciate it.
It's your first experience of a quick build challenge.
Yeah.
I mean, it's, you know, you don't have any instructions. Obviously, when you buy this at home, you will get instructions. So you'll get details of each step so you can follow through, which is great. But yeah, this is, I mean, it's been a great little bit of fun for us here, isn't it? So
yeah.
It's the perfect gift for you at home to get for your loved ones. Who doesn't like Christmas Day opening up something and trying to put it together? Maybe you can challenge your granddad to it, or your grandson, your granddaughter or something. We'll get around, the whole family can try it.
A quick build competition, sounds good, yeah.
Well, thank you for joining me, Nate.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, and thank you all for watching at home. We'll see you next time.
See you next time. Merry Christmas.